What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing the lower camber arms on the 2013 FRS Scion. I've already got it all put up in the air and jacked up to save you guys the frustration of watching me do it, and just to save some time. It's already in the air. So what we're going to do now is I already cracked a couple lug nuts. We're going to take the rest of them off. We're going to take this tire off, and then we're going to jack it up in the air a little bit. Not the car again, but we're going to jack the suspension up, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we got the wheel off. We're about to loosen 1 nut, 2 nut, 3 nut, 4 nut. We're going to get that arm off and fit the other one back on. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, we got 1, 2, 3 bolts out. We have 1 rod going through, and we're going to take it out, and it should drop. And this lower A arm should come right out. Alright, guys, we got the lower control arm out. Now it's time to put the new one back in. They also give you new hardware and a cool little sticker that goes with it. But it's all out, guys. Wasn't that hard. Honestly, the last bolt was the only tricky part, but it really wasn't hard at all. Okay, guys, a couple bangs later, a couple banged up fingers, and a whole lot of smacking, banging, and trying to get this to fit, and it's in. The bolts aren't tightened up yet, but it's all in. Check it out, guys.
If they don't have it, they came from the box?
Yep. Okay, guys, we've got both lower camber arms on. I do have the wheel on the right side to show you the camber, but I'm done for tonight. Definitely done, but we got both sides of the lower camber arms on. As you can see, we definitely have camber, but the toe is definitely off. I'm gonna have to get adjustable toe, because you see that is definitely not durable. So we're gonna have to get the adjustable toe, and we'll make another video putting that one on. But that's the lower camber control arms for you. They're fully adjustable. All you gotta do is come down here and let that bolt out, let it in to the desired camber that you want. And yeah, guys, it definitely achieved the camber for you there.